Okay, so I have this 307 that I'm doing repairs on the front suspension. So I brought the car and hearing a lot of noise. So I suspected the noise was coming from the suspension, but especially the shock absorber side. So we were able to remove the two shock absorbers, and right there we found that this mount, the two of them, the shock absorber mount have all broken, as you can see. The two have all broken. This one out. This one is already out, the metal here. This is one of the bearing, which is still okay. So the shock absorbers, so I'm taking them to go and put pressure on it, because they were, when they removed this mount, found that the shock absorbers were a little bit weak. So we are putting pressure on them, on both of the two before. Then this, we're also going to construct locally made bushing here, like looks like they call it tire bushing. So we cut it. Yeah, this one has broken. The other one was not even there when we removed it, so which will contribute to the noise. So what I did not do was to check the ball joint. I want to do this one first, put it down, then see if we continue, but that one will take more time. I can see they've changed the stabilizer lane, still new, so I'm still okay. So when that one comes, we'll mount everything, then see, hopefully the issue will go away. Alright, so keep you updated. So these are the two new shock absorber mounts. The only thing I would say, unfortunately, this mount, they don't last that much. But this is what we can, the OEM are not in the market, so we can't do any other thing than to use this one. So, so that is it. Update.
Hello?
So the shock absorbers are back. So they refilled them and mounted the new mounts. No, I don't need. I mount it. So this is the new mount, second one. I mount it. So this is the other one I was telling you guys that got broken. This part bushing here. So this is the local one they normally put. Since I'm difficult to get this, I use it to tie them here. So once we finish mounting, they'll copy everything back and drop the car, drive the car to see if the noise is gone. Because like I had different noise, not just one type of noise. So hopefully all those noise will be gone. Alright. So on the 307, I completed the repair on the suspension. Tested it, is working well. Meanwhile, I noticed that the brake pads have actually worn the front of the padding. So after the place, as you can see, the new pad there. Something that was observed, that was even yesterday. I see the advantage of using coolant. When you look here, you see the green colored fluid here, where the plastic cover mixed with the metal cover. So that means the seal here is already used. So because of that, I discussed with the owner, so we have to remove the radiator, take it to the radiator repair technicians, so that they will remove this cover, we seal that place, put gum there. They have their way of doing it, so the leakage will stop. I can always tell people, the fastest way of detecting coolant leak on the system is by using coolant. If you use water, you won't be able to detect the leak. So even what you have is water, I will always recommend put up to at least a liter of coolant. It's mostly prefer green color, especially when you want to trace leakage. Use green color coolant. makes it easier to see where the leak is coming from. So in this case, the owner uses a green coolant, and he was able to show where it was leaking from, which he confirmed to me as well, that he noticed that the dropping the level of coolant. So other than that, once that one is sorted, I'll mount it and return the vehicle to the owner. So that brings it to the end of the repair on this previous one. So I don't need to update anymore. Once the coolant, the radiator is fixed and mounted. So this is the part we use. Not see the OEM anyway. So I use this one. I feel it to work. That's a motor guide brand. I know I have it. I have it on my phone. It's the rear brake pad, and I can say there was a big improvement when I put it. So what we done was to drain out the coolant, and so we fix it and put it back. Something I want to point out, as you can see here, water is passing through from here, and you can see here that this thing is not here anymore. So as water is pouring here, if it don't, it's settling here on the battery, and the worst of it is on the transmission ECU. So you can see the need for you to do this. Very, very important to put that leather like I did on the other video that I explained. Very important. I'm going to recommend to the owner of this one to do the same thing. Okay, so that brings it to the end. So far the radiator is the other side, the part of the radiator is okay. It's only this here, so can easily be fixed.